Hi, something exciting arrived in the mail, a new tool that I've never used before and I can't wait to set it up and show it to you. This one's pretty big. Any ideas what it might be? Well, I won't keep you waiting. It is a micro inlaid mirror, a microscope from Vevor. This one will need to be installed on my bench as it absolutely needs to be bolted down. The tool arrived quickly and safely, well packaged, and so far it looks great, especially for the price. You might think this will be something way outside of your budget, but not necessarily. Currently, this tool is below $400, which is a great option for those in need of a microscope but being on a budget. I'll show you how I set it up on my jeweler's bench. First, I planned where I wanted it to be located and made sure that the placement was comfortable. I took out the base and marked where I needed to drill and make holes for the screws, which were included in the package, so I didn't have to get them myself. Now I'm fitting the arm on the base and adjusting the height. You can change it depending on your needs. There are two tension knobs which you use to adjust the arm. You can extend it, lower it, and choose the placement that's most comfortable for you and your space. Next step is to assemble the microscope mounting ring and the angle bracket and the headrest. Once that's done, we'll place the microscope in the mounting ring and fix it in place. The last thing to do is to install the eyepieces and a magnifier. There are little screws on the sides where you place the eyepieces, so make sure to have a tiny screwdriver that fits them. All done, all set up and ready to be used. It wasn't difficult. I'd say the drilling was the hardest part in my case. It looks great and very solid. I'm very curious now to see how this tool works. You can also adjust the height of the microscope itself by moving it up and down. I spent a moment adjusting the eyepieces and the magnifier so that I could see well. It's not difficult, you just need to find the clearest and sharpest view for yourself. And it's ready! Here's a little sneak peek at how it looks. Of course, remember that I'm using camera here to capture this. In person, it looks a bit different, much clearer and better. I'll give you a little presentation of how it looks while you work, for example with the burrs on the metal sheet. The way you can see absolutely every bit of imperfections or scratches, this tool without a doubt offers the precision and will improve the quality of your work. Of course, don't mind my poor attempts right now. It wasn't the easiest job to film and work with this tool for the very first time ever. I will learn how to use it to get the most out of it, and I'm hoping that with this tool I will be able to elevate the quality of my work. I'll share more about how I use it in future videos. Are you considering adding a microscope to your workshop? If so, why do you want it? Is it for gemstone setting or engraving, or maybe other tasks? I myself will be using it for everything I just listed, and my goal is to improve my engraving and stone setting in particular. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!